In today's video, we are going to talk about the dictionary or the vocabulary or the vocabs that we need to know during this unit 4. And we are going to start reading together and explaining the meaning of each word. Let's start. Unit 4, and we will start with the word ago. Ago. Ago, in the past, which means in the past, like really from long time. For example, the carpenter mended the gate 2 weeks ago. So not right now, it's from really long time, 2 weeks ago. So ago, in the past, ago. America. America. Now we have a country and it calls America. America. Axe. Axe. Now as you can see here, this is the axe and it's a tool. Axe. Axe. Next word is careful. Careful. Now as you can see here, we have the mom and we have her son, and the mom is holding her son's hand. Now be careful when you cross the road. Be careful when you cross the road. Now every time we have to be careful when we are crossing the road. So please also you be careful. Be careful. We will see a next word. The next word is channel. Channel. A way of putting on TV program. So we have a TV and we can find different channels on the TV. So channel. Which channel do you watch? Which channel do you watch? I always watch the sports channel. Choose. Choose. Now as you can see here, we have this girl and she is trying to choose something in order to eat it. Choose. To take something and not other thing. So we have to take only one thing and not any other thing. You can choose a cake from the plate. You can choose a cake from the plate. So she has to choose one thing. Choose. Next we have the word competition. Competition, which means a test or game to find the winner at something. So we are going to look for the winner. Who is going to win this competition? Ben came first in the sports competition. Now let's continue with the dictionary or the meaning or the vocabs that we need to know. And we will start with end, the last part of something. For example, the end of the crocodile's tail is thin. As you can see here, we have the crocodile's tail and it's thin. Then we have enter, to go into something. Let's enter the competition. Fetch, to carry something from one place to another. Grandma's glasses are in the kitchen. Please fetch them, which means to carry them from one place to another. Fold. As you can see here, we can fold the paper. And then we have the word grow. Now, for example, Mr. Brown is growing tomato. The plants are growing more every day. We have here change of the size from smaller to a bigger size, like we have this plants. And then we have hammer, which means it is a tool, hammer. Then we have idea. Idea, something you think of. Instructions or instruction. The words of a person says when they tell someone to do something. The instruction on the box said open here. The instruction on the box said open here. Keep. To have something and not throw it in the bin. Like to keep something. Let's keep the picture. We can use it in our project. Metal. Metal. As you can see, here is the metal, and then we have the nails, and also there are tools. Near. Near. The cat is sitting near the wall, which means close to the wall. Need. Need. To want something. I am thirsty. I need a drink. Want something. Paper. And we say the paper is like a page or something thin. Paper. Then we have a piece. The piece of cake is on the piece of paper. Piece. Piece. Now let's move on and see the next page. Now open the next page and let's start with the pioneer. We said the meaning of pioneer in our reading, but we will say it one more time. A person who does something first. For example, look at here and we can say the astronaut. The astronaut or this astronaut is a pioneer in space, which means a person who went to the space for the first time. Plastic. Plastic. Strong material. Now, the plumber fixed the water. He used plastic, which is a strong material. Then we have pot. Pot. It's a big thing. We can put the food in it and cook it. Pot. Then we have program. Program. As you can see here, we have a mom and her daughter, and they are watching something. Some program or something. Something you watch on TV. Yesterday, we watched a program about lions. Next word is pot. Pot. To place something. Ben put his book in his bag. Next we have the word rope. Rope. And so. Then we have skittles, and we mean with skittles some kind of game. We put something, then we throw a ball. This is a skittles. Sticky tab. Now let's go up. We have string. String. And it's also a tool. We use it in doing something. Travel. To go from one place to another place. In the summer, we travel to the mountains. So meaning we go from one place to another. Next word, visitor. Visitor. I visited Canada yesterday. There were lots of visitors. Visitor or visited or visit means that we go to some place and look around. Then we have a wood, and you can see that we can get the wood from trees. And then we have the wool. As you can see, here's the wool with different colors. And last thing, or before the last thing, we have a word, group of letters that has a meaning. There are lots of words in the dictionary. Year. Year. We means by 356 days. Emmy's little brother is 1 year old. Year, which means a specific time. Year. And we finished for today. Thank you so much and hopefully you enjoyed it.